How to log out of Apple Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can log out of Apple Music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Apple Music app, you're not being able to find the option to log out. It's because the Apple Music app itself doesn't give you the option, but there is a way to log out. For that, you have to simply open the settings application here, and once you launch the settings app, you just need to tap your Apple ID name, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap your Apple ID name, right under here you can see media and purchases, so you can tap on it and then just sign out from here. So when you sign out from media and purchases, you'll also be signed out of your Apple Music. Now if you don't believe me, if I go to media and purchases and then if I tap on view account, one of the options inside this is also your Apple Music, which means that it also includes Apple Music. You have to sign out from that and then you will be able to successfully sign out of Apple Music. This way you will be able to sign out or log out of Apple Music. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.